Ever made a bunch of changes to a report and thought, how do I get back to where I started? Good news. There's a super easy fix, and I'll show you right now. Take this inventory status report. I've been tweaking it, adding and rearranging columns, and now it's kind of a mess. Instead of trying to undo everything one step at a time, I'm just going to pull a fresh copy of the original. It only takes a couple of clicks. First, I need the original report's name. I'll right-click on the blue title bar. The name always appears at the top of this menu. Now, there's two ways to bring in a fresh copy, depending on how you like to work. If you want to compare them side by side, resize the report you've been playing with to make some room. Then right-click in an empty spot on the tab, roughly where you want the report to start. Click Add New Report, and in this case, Inventory, and then Inventory Status. I'll make sure I can tell them apart by renaming the new report. I'll click on the blue title bar again and add Original to the title. Now I'll resize and then refresh the report so I can compare them. When I'm done, I can always delete the report I started playing with. If you'd rather start fresh on a clean tab, click the plus up next to the tabs. Now, in any empty spot, again, where you want to start your report, click Add New Report, Inventory, Inventory Status. Once you refresh it, you've got a new report to work with. And that's really it. Don't be afraid to experiment with your reports. You now know you can always get back to the original in just a couple of clicks. Check out our other videos for more tips like this one.